down there?
Here you go, it's back out.
What building is that?
It's the new park building.
Well, yeah, it's reverse. It had reverse.
I was going to say, why is that sound?
It actually was going the right direction. But
I know, it's like...
But he had it in. There's been two more out there.
It's really going
It
though.
needs really big, like half the size, maybe. If we had known this, we would have brought Andrew.
Solar panels could be put much closer together.
Yeah. Kind of raised.
I wasn't sure if he was going to do it. He said, come out early. I don't know if we have all the
Need half of the room that you have.
Yeah, it would take up half space.
Yeah. A lot of times they put them on, like, glue them to lighter plastic so they can bend it around.
Oh, have the
Their paper, the cells
I know, that's why I'm saying you can bend them around.
They break.
Do they break?